I will now tell you what a 52-week range is, an overview, example, and strategies. The 52-week range is a measure that shows the highest and lowest prices at which stock has traded over the past year. Here's a simple explanation. Overview. 52 week The 52-week range provides investors and traders with information about the price, volatility, and trading patterns of a stock over the past year. It consists of two values: the highest price, 52-week high, and the lowest price, 52-week low, at which the stock has traded during that period. Examples. Let's just say company ABC stock is currently trading $50 per share. If its 52-week high is $60 and its 52-week low is $40, it means that over the past year the stock has traded as a high 60 and a low 40. This information gives us investors an idea of the price range within which the stock has been fluctuated over the years. Over the year, strategies: investors and traders use the 52-week range in various ways to inform their investment decisions. Some common strategies include identifying number one, identifying support and resistance level. Investors may look at the 52-week low as a potential support level where the stock prices tend to bounce back up, and the 52-week high as a potential resistance level where the price tends to face selling pressure. Assessing volatility: a wider 52-week range indicates high volatility, which may present both opportunities and risk for investors. Investors may choose to invest in stocks with narrower 52-week range for more suitable returns, while traders may seek out stocks with a wider range for potential profit opportunities. Number 3. Timing entry and exit points. Investors may use the 52-week range to time the entry and exit points for buying or selling stocks. For example, buying a near 52-week low may be considered a good entry point, while selling a near 52-week high may be seen as a favorable exit point. Overall, the 52-week range serves as a valuable tool for investors and traders to assess a stock's historical price performance and make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding their investments. What do you think of that information? If you need more explanation or a general long format video longer than this one, please leave it in the comments and I will do that for you. Thank you.